everyone. Welcome to the Homes RI Say Yes to Invest event. My name is Katie West, she and her. I'm the manager of strategic initiatives at the Housing Network of Rhode Island, which is the state's association of nonprofit community development organizations. In this role, I have the privilege of coordinating Homes RI, a multi-sector coalition of people and organizations who have been working to increase the supply of safe, healthy, and affordable homes. It is wonderful to see everyone's faces here today. And I would love to recognize everybody individually by name, but I promise to keep my remarks brief. And I hope you'll accept my and the Homes RI Coalition's sincere thanks for being here today. We see you, we appreciate you. And I want to thank our esteemed speakers, especially Mr. Speaker Chicagi, Chairman Lombardo, Charlene Speedman, and Representative Albate. Thank you. And so when I started this role almost 5 years ago, a lot of the conversation was about how do we elevate housing as an issue. The lack of safe, healthy, affordable, and high-quality homes has been a problem that has existed back decades. And it's been an issue that's highly inequitable. The people with the lowest incomes, including folks who often work grueling jobs for low pay, and Black Americans, Indigenous folks, and people of color have been impacted the most. Consequently, these are our neighbors who have been hit hardest by the effects of the pandemic. And this is in a cruel irony. COVID is one of the reasons that housing has become a more urgent and dire issue, and part of why we're gathered here today to support robust investment of federal funds into housing. Today, housing is something everyone is talking about. It's top of mind for Rhode Islanders and for state leaders. It is transformative to have the Rhode Island House Speaker publicly commit to housing as his top priority, and last session was a banner year in demonstrating the legislature's commitment to this issue. For the first time in Rhode Island, the Rhode Island General Assembly appropriated dedicated funding for housing production, and money from this fund, along with dollars from the 2021 housing bond that voters approved last March, has already been made available to the development community to build and preserve more long-term affordable homes. In addition to this, Rhode Island became one of 17 states to pass a statewide source of income protection law, which had been championed for several years by Chairwoman Williams and prioritized by Speaker Chicagi and President Ruggiero. We also became one of the first states to implement the innovative Pay for Success pilot, which will help Rhode Islanders experiencing homelessness transition to permanent supportive housing. Homes RI thanks the House and Senate leadership and our legislative champions for your hard work in getting these key housing initiatives over the finish line and turning your commitment into action. The opportunity with the American Rescue Plan state fiscal recovery funds not only provides a critical resource to invest in communities most in need, but to build on the good work that our state leaders have committed to and embarked upon. The financial investment is a necessary complement to the House and Senate leadership housing policy initiatives aimed at boosting production of low and moderate income homes and tenant protections. The proposal Homes RI has put forward is one that has been crafted and supported by housing practitioners, health equity experts, philanthropic organizations, and importantly, community members, residents, and voters living and working in Rhode Island with proven strategies that will impact Rhode Islanders if the resources and tools are deployed. This is why we ask you to say yes to invest and help ensure that a robust investment of these recovery funds are targeted to increasing affordable homes, stabilizing vulnerable households, and supporting our communities.